just a heads up, tomorrow I may not be able to produce a video. I am in my hometown of Tomball, or the place where I grew up. My hometown, Yakima, Washington. But the place where I grew up is Tomball, Texas. And I'm in town because my mom is having a pretty important medical procedure done tomorrow. And tomorrow, my entire day is going to be spent doing that. So no video tomorrow, just wanted you to know. So here's something I invite you to try. If you have about a second draw to first shot, sub-second, somewhere in there, I want to invite you to set your par time today to like 1.5 or 1.62, something random. And I want you to draw, hold your sight in place, and then have to press the trigger as soon as the B of beep happens. It's kind of like a now drill, but we're using our timer. And we've got to still draw quickly, but what we're not doing is drawing quickly and pressing the trigger immediately. There are some times when I believe that we may find that we need to draw and hold, but then something might happen that would force us to press the trigger. So this is not a scenario drill. This is not a tactic drill. This is a drill that helps us work on knowing how to keep our grip steady and press the trigger without moving the front sight or the dot, even when we are not necessarily in command of when the shot breaks. So there's a lot of value to this, and it could look something like this. First, let me show you. Nothing in the chamber and nothing in the magazine well. It should look, or could look, something like this. I might get it wrong. See how my front sight dove as I pressed the trigger? I want to eradicate that. Did it again. This is a great drill. I recommend every 2 or 3 draws, changing your timer, or your par time. A little bit better trigger, a lot of delay, a lot of float. So the point of this is that you are needing to manage your grip. That means you have to draw very well. That means you have to start by getting on your gun. Your 2 hands need to meet. You need to have your grip the way you want it. This tests a whole lot of things, and I invite you to try it. So if you have a 1.5 second draw to first shot normally, set your par time for like 2.13, something really random. Give yourself a wide space to have to work with so that you have to deal with pressing out, holding, and then pressing the trigger without moving your front sight or dot. Good luck. It's spicier than you think it is, and I'll see you in a couple of days.